Hi guys, it's Dylan
And Rory.
from Dr. Basketball Frankles.
Hello?
Hello,
Who is this?
this is JJ speaking. How may I help you?
Who?
This is JJ speaking. How may I help you?
I can't hear you. Speak clear.
Thank you for calling your pet quality offers. This is JJ speaking. How may I help you?
Do you sell dinosaurs?
Someone?
Dinosaurs.
No.
Why?
Faggots. Faggots everywhere. Bet you guys. Never mind. I was gonna say, bet you guys can't pop your eye out, but. No, like this. Were you there with me and Papa?